All right, so 2 or 3 days later, it's a beautiful day. Installed my stunt cage a couple days ago. Couldn't really wrap it around the stock exhaust, so I went online, quick ordered the cheapest exhaust I could find. Looked up some reviews and everything, and wasn't too bad for the price, so that's fine with me. Oh, nice. Box inside of a box. Doesn't get any better. So far it looks good. That's what you got. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's nice. Actually, it's pretty well built. Nice. Got the muffler all taped together. It's actually packed really cool, really nice actually. Couple little, looks like dings. You got like a little, that comes with a sticker. Oh my God. It's like those fake Jordans. Like the little Jordan signs, like dunking like that. All right, yeah, we're about to throw it on, man. Well, come on, come check it out. See what we got. Wow, it actually is going to look pretty nice. I'm gonna probably keep my baffle in too. I don't want it to be obnoxiously loud. That's just for me too. Like, I don't want to just hear screaming everywhere I go. That is actually 185 bucks, and I got it within 2 days. I hope this fits. hope it goes on. It's starting to seem too good to be true, you know what I mean? Got it off. This, wow. What's cool about this is me taking this off. This has gotta be 40, 50 pounds. Distributed, yeah. I don't know, this is pretty. So this, taking this off, putting the lightweight exhaust on, kind of balances the weight back out. So that's nice. This thing is super. Oh. All right. Well, I'll put this on and then we'll see how it looks and do a sound test. Yeah, man. Wow, this. All right. First initial test. Came up with a bracket system. It's gonna have to be changed out sooner or later because that's just so I can at least crank it up today and maybe ride it once without it falling off. That has been cranked up in maybe a week. $85, you got to do some finagling, but I mean, just ready to go. Then leaves you some money in the bank account to buy other parts. So with the baffle in. I know there's a lot of people that ride with it out. I don't see how y'all ride with the baffle out. This is plenty. last thing I'm gonna do is when you get an FMS cage, the sliders, I wanna show y'all something. The slider, unless this is what you're supposed to do, but they don't have a notch. So you screw them down and you get this little ring imprint. See it? Mm-hmm. Get that imprint. And you take your drill and you just drill you a notch so it can sink in there. And that's what I'm gonna do all the way around the bike, and then it'll be done.